Last summer, I moved to Paris after a breakup, and it became my second home, alongside New York. Since then, I've been back for Paris Fashion Week and work, always rushing, but I never got to just be there. This time, I'm bringing my mom to Paris, and we're slowing down to truly enjoy the city. We haven't shared a room in years, but tonight we're having a sleepover in the sky. The Lufthansa Allegris business class suite gave us the space and privacy to reconnect like we hadn't in a long time. This is my cafe. This is where I started my day every single morning. She wanted to stop at every single thing, and for once, we actually had the time to stop and explore. I got to show her the life that I built here and all the reasons I fell in love with this city. I've been to Paris many times, but this is the trip I'll remember forever. And I know that one day I'll bring my daughter too.